Video title: The Future of Work, 2026's AI Revolution. Are you prepared? 10. Hook. Upbeat, catchy music begins. Rapid visuals of bustling offices, factories, and people working in various industries. Imagine waking up in 2026 and half of the jobs you once depended on no longer exist. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you this is the reality that's just around the corner? Windbotheka story. Calm visuals shift to a futuristic cityscape, showcasing robots and AI systems. Picture this. It's 2026. The world is thriving on artificial intelligence. Machines that were once a figment of our imagination are now commonplace. Your barista, an AI that crafts the perfect latte. Your accountant, a program capable of predicting the economy. With tech advancing at unprecedented speeds, some jobs are at risk of becoming obsolete. But what does this mean for you, your family, and your future? As AI continues to evolve, we face a choice: adapt or be left behind. 31.1 Value points. Cut to engaging animations showing statistics and AI tools. Let's dive into 3 AI tools that are poised to replace common jobs in 2026. 1. ChatGPT for customer service. This AI can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, providing 24/7 support. Many customer service roles may be unneeded as this technology refines itself. 2. Robo-analysts for finances. Advanced algorithms are predicting market trends faster than human analysts ever could. Investment jobs? They might soon be automated. 3. Automated content creation tools. With natural language processing improving daily, writers and content creators are at risk. AI can generate high-quality articles in seconds, changing the landscape of journalism forever. Empathetic tone. It's not about fear, it's about understanding the changes around us. 121-20 Engagement hooks. Background slows for a more emotional tone with visuals of workers looking concerned. How do you feel about these changes? Are you excited about the possibilities or concerned about your future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Quick cut to positive scenarios where people embrace AI. But it's not all doom and gloom. Embracing these tools can unlock new careers and opportunities. Are you ready to evolve with technology? 1. CTA. Upbeat music resumes as visuals transition to empowering scenes of people learning new skills. If this future worries you, now's the time to act. Hit that subscribe button for more insights on how to future-proof your career. Let's navigate 2026 together and turn these challenges into opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and let's prepare for what's next. End screen with subscribe button and links to other videos about AI and personal development. Outro. Fade out with a lingering question on screen. How will you adapt?